Well, you made it. The end of the race. I told you it was going to go fast, and it did, right? Don't blink, you'll miss something. So basically, this week has wrapped up. So your grades are pretty much complete. If you want to look in D2L, um, if you haven't taken the final test, which you certainly have till the end of the day today to do, um, then you know what's missing. Okay, so and just a kind of a note that the class website, our D2L site, will stay open till Monday night. So please review things by then, so you know where things are at. And if you see anything that you want to ask a question about, don't hesitate to ask. Go ahead and send me an email. I hope you enjoyed the class. I enjoyed having you students. I was honored to teach you. Um, you're a good group. You stayed engaged in a really condensed class, and that's not an easy thing to do. I appreciate that. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. I enjoyed teaching the class. Um, Hopefully you learned a little bit about business. Hopefully you learned a little about parts of business that you might be interested in, that you might want to pursue more. Maybe you learned about aspects of business that you want absolutely nothing to do with, and that's okay too. So um, both things are good outcomes really for you. And I hope you learned a little bit of something, and you got to think a little bit about how business works, how business fits in to what we uh, refer to all the time. Like for example, when you did the bank bailout situation, that's going to happen again. So now you feel a little more informed when people are talking about it, what they're actually trying to say. Um, so last thing I want to say is the way I look at it is just because the last day of classes come and the D12 shell is going to go away, doesn't mean our relationship ends. I feel it is my obligation and my responsibility, and actually, I absolutely don't mind doing it at all, is to help you out as much as you need me to. Now that class is done, don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions if there's anything that you want to talk about, you want to know more about. Again, really don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. That's why I do what I'm doing here. And again, I look at me as a resource. As long as I'm at Oakton, you know where to find me, and I look forward to hearing from you. So, congratulations, everybody. I think you did great. Um, I wish you the very best the very best with your future academic career and your professional career as well. I know you have some real ambitions, and I hope they all happen for you. Okay, so that's it for me. Again, if you have any questions about class, certainly let me know. And if you need to reach out to me any point in the future, please do. I'm more than happy to hear from you. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care.